Alright, how about the mountain?
Yeah, I think it's awesome. Yes.
Yeah.
It's a good time, I think we go to. Hey, come on guys, we go to the one time.
Oh, wait a minute.
What time?
Lookman, do you bring a tent?
Yes, I bring.
Alright, Rani, do you bring a flashlight?
Flashlight? Wait. Of course, I bring.
Oh, alright. Chacha, do you bring a jacket?
Done. Alright guys, come on. Wait guys. Lookman, why do you look so confused? Are you shaking your shoes? Or maybe you're down in the dumps?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Come on, don't pretend with us. Tell us what's going on.
Yeah, maybe we can help you. Yes, man.
Alright guys, my teacher just called me that he will give extra class in this afternoon.
Oh my god. But we have been a long time to study that, Lukman.
Yeah, you can cut class for once, man. Come on, stop talking like that.
It's confused. Give me a minute to think.
I give a hoot. We're going to be late, Lukman. Come on, guys. I can't stand anymore to hiking, guys. Come
Shut
on.
up, you budding me!
Whoa, take it easy, man. Take it easy. Alright?
But you blow with our plans, Lukman.
Alright, hold on, girls.
Man, maybe she's right. Don't be late. Time's running out.
Yeah, whatever. The girls hit the land on the head.
What did you say?
No. Just forget it. Forget it, okay?
Well, guys, Lukman, what do you want to choose? You want to join us? Decide now.
Okay. I'm in. I'll buckle down lesson next year because you're my friend.
Alright, way to go, guys. Come on, leave this place.
Let's go.